Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Abha here, your psychic medium, and today we are going to do short quick update for Capricorn for the month of September. We are going to see what is currently happening, what are current energies surrounding Capricorn, and where is it heading towards in the rest of the month, as we have already crossed September Virgo season and there are few days which are left, but still we are going to see what is going to happen with the rest of the month. Okay, Empress. Wow, Empress is a card of growth and progress. So in the month of September you must be experiencing overall growth and must be experiencing a lot of care from other people. You must be experiencing progress within your situation. And if you are not yet, then let me tell you that behind the scenes it has already started happening, because Empress is the seed and it has started growing. So things have started growing already. So you're going to experience a lot of improvement in the rest of the month. Okay, so let's see, we will clarify this. What are current energies for the Capricorn for the Virgo season, and where is it heading towards Capricorn? What are current energies for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising? Those who are born under Sun sign or Moon sign or Rising sign with Capricorn, this reading will resonate with all of them. So Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, what is currently happening? This is going to be a general update for you. This happening around Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. What are current energies around Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising? Okay, and where is it heading towards Capricorn? Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. What are current energies with Capricorn? Okay, so these are the jumpers. First I'm going to see all of them. First card is Chariot. Chariot is definitely talking about things moving forward for the month of September for you. It seems like you are falling in love with somebody, or someone is falling in love with you. So, or it could mean that some love proposal or other kind of proposal is there. It could be related to work, not necessarily romantic only, but it is a very good creative proposal. Could be a creative proposal because we have a Knight of Cups here. So if not love relationship, then it is creative proposal coming your way. Otherwise, or it is happening already, or it means, which I feel like that is a very romantic energy in this card. So somebody head over heels, or you are head over heels for someone here. Okay, we have a card of Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords means you are strategizing everything. You are moving with very strategic moves in your life right now within your situation. This could mean that either you are checking on somebody or somebody is checking on you. Also, it could mean that you may be facing a little bit of challenges when it comes to dealing with younger people around you. It could be related to that they are not very truthful and honest within your situation. Heart of the matter, Nine of Wands reverse, which means that your guards are up, Capricorn, this month. You're very cautious in your approach and your guards are up. You're very defensive within your situations because you're lacking clarity. Now the blockage or hindrance here within your situation is that you're lacking clarity somewhere, Capricorn. You're lacking direction because you don't have any confidence within this situation. Queen of Wands reverse. It also means that you're getting really irritated. In the recent past, we have a card of Four of Swords reverse. Something which was on break suddenly started happening or suddenly started working, but slowly, slowly work started happening or communication started happening in the recent past within this situation. At present, changes are happening because world is a card of one cycle getting completed and another getting started. So big changes happening right now. But it seems like you are very defensive in this situation and guarded because you are not very confident about this change. In coming time, I can see a sudden change happening. Could be in next 2-3 days, a sudden change. We will clarify this, what change is this. It could be sudden change of perception also within this situation. How you are seeing this situation, King of Pentacles, you want progress, you are expecting progress. How other people are seeing, they think that you are not ready to negotiate. With respect to hopes and fear, we have a card of Three of Cups. You feel that you are going to be working alone in this situation and left out. Knight of Swords, sudden changes, suddenly something is coming towards you with a lot of aggressive energy. It could be a message, it could be information, or a person coming with a lot of aggression or a lot of aggressive energy towards you with some sort of information. So Knight of Swords is also about movement. So suddenly things will start moving forward with a lot of speed in the month of September. Maybe by the end of the September, you are going to see that a lot of things are happening with, with a lot of pace and speed. So this is what is happening. We are going to clarify why is Tower here? Why is Tower here for Capricorn? Why is Tower here for Capricorn? Okay. Why is Tower here for Capricorn? We are going to clarify this. Why is Tower here for Capricorn? Why is Tower? Oh my God, Lovers. Some love choices are coming suddenly for you, and you used to think that you don't have opportunity, but I can see some opportunity coming for you in terms of love and relationship. Sudden changes. We will still clarify Lovers here. What is it? Are these love choices or in work area or creative area? Why is love here? Why is Lovers here? Too many cards. Yes, emotional choices. These are at your... So yeah, these are choices. Could be in relationship, or it could mean that you have to make some decision in coming time with respect to love relationship. So this is what is going to happen in the month of September. What is exactly Knight of Swords here? We are going to clarify this. What is Knight of Swords for Capricorn as an outcome in this September month? What is Knight of Swords here? Is it a literal person or energy moving with a very fast rate? Okay, a lot of things you are going to juggle between. So Knight of Swords is like suddenly things will start moving forward, and you may have to juggle between things. You may have to manage more than one thing here. So we are going to clarify it with one more card. Why is Two of Pentacles here? Why is Knight of Swords and Two of Pentacles here? Yeah, you're going to gain success and clarity in coming time within this situation. Suddenly things will start moving in a... Yeah, and bottom of the deck we have a card of Magician here. So you'll be able to manifest what you are trying to manifest here within this situation. You will have all the tools to manifest anything. So I can see that things are moving in a better direction as compared to before, because in the recent past as things were not as such moving, and could be communication was also blocked. But I can see an overall energy is moving towards a better direction for Capricorn for the month of September. We are going to see what guidance we have for the month of September for Capricorn. Suddenly things will start moving forward with a high speed, and you will be managing more than two things together. A lot of clarity and success is coming towards you in the month of September. But what guidance for Capricorn? What is the guidance for Capricorn for the month of September? Organize for success. So you need to organize everything, your workspace, your personal space. Do not let the word organize intimidate you, as it is simply a way for you to ensure clarity of purpose. Organizing your thoughts, your reports, your living and workspace, and your finances will help you know and plan your next action steps. As I can see, a lot of things are happening in coming time where you are like suddenly making, sudden changes are happening where you have to make decisions, choices will be there. Suddenly, Knight of Swords, a lot of, with the energy which is coming with a lot of speed, aggressive energy, and a lot of things juggling. You're going to juggle too many things, so you need to organize and prioritize your things so that you are successful within this situation. We are going to pull one more card as a guidance for we are going to pull one more card as a guidance for Capricorn. Okay, unlimited ideas. So it seems like you're going to receive more ideas and thoughts within this situation which could lead to success. Sun getting enlightened about what needs to be done within this situation in coming time. So yes, new ideas are coming within your mind is one with God's infinite mind, therefore you have complete access to unlimited ideas guaranteed to bring blessings. All you need to do is take divinely guided action to allow these ideas to come to fruition. So I think suddenly things will start moving and you will receive guidance or ideas in order to move forward. That's why Sun card. So this was your completely reading for the rest of the month, for September month, rest of the September month. Please stay tuned for more videos for the October month. We will soon bring up more videos. You can hit the like button and bell button to get more updates. Take good care of yourself, Capricorn. Bye.